Introducing the stunning 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan A7 RL 2.0 TDI D7F in sleek grey. This powerful yet efficient SUV is packed with incredible features, making every drive a pleasure. Experience ultimate comfort with air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity, satellite navigation, and more. The luxurious interior includes third-row seats, cup holders, and a load CoverParcel shelf for added convenience. Stay safe on the road with ABS, parking assistance, lane departure warning, collision avoidance braking, and more. The stylish exterior boasts a chrome package, privacy glass, and roof rails for a touch of sophistication. This vehicle also includes a stop and start system, Tyre Repair Kit, and Energy Recuperation for added efficiency. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specifications, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us today or visit our website michaelmoore.ie for more information. Upgrade your drive with the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan A7 RL 2.0 TDI D7F, the perfect blend of style, comfort and performance.